Today we see the last article of our syllabus in chapter application of derivative, that is maxima and minima. In the last lecture we see increasing and decreasing function. The maxima and minima, that is the maximum value and minimum value of the function. We find the maximum and minimum value of the function. The maxima and minima, this article completely based on the increasing decreasing function. In the last lecture we see increasing and decreasing function. Here, if f of x is any function, then f dash of x greater than 0, it is an increasing function. F dash of x is less than 0, it is a decreasing function. Now we find the maximum and minimum value of the function. Here, let y is equal to f of x be any function. Here is y is equal to f of x. Okay. Now we see a graph. Here, y is equal to f of x. It is a graph. It is f of x. Here, it is increasing and it is a decreasing function. Now here, and it is a turning point. Okay. It is f of x is a increasing, and here f of x is a decreasing function. Okay. Therefore, here f dash of x, which is greater than 0, and here f dash of x is less than 0, and one stationary point, or it is a turning point. Here f dash of x is 0. Okay. Now when function, it is an increasing function, therefore f dash of x greater than 0, and it is a decreasing function, therefore f dash of x less than 0. But what it is one critical point, that is the stationary point, where f dash of x is equal to 0. Let this point, it is a C, suppose we consider it is a point C. Then here it is a turning point. We find the maxima and minima of any function. Okay. Here it is a turning point. एखाद्या ग्राफमध्ये जर टर्निंग पॉइंटच नसला तर त्याचा मॅक्झिमा अँड मिनिमा काढता येत नाही. आता सध्या इथं आपण काय काढतो, मॅक्झिमम व्हॅल्यू. हियर इट इज एफ डॅश ऑफ एक्स ग्रेटर दॅन 0, दॅट इज पॉझिटिव्ह टू निगेटिव्ह. इट इज अ लेस दॅन 0. एफ डॅश ऑफ एक्स ग्रेटर दॅन 0 and it is f dash of x less than 0, and it is f dash of x greater, it is equal to 0. It is a turning point. Okay. f dash of x greater than 0, turning point of the graph. Okay. आणि एखाद्या ग्राफला जितके टर्निंग पॉइंट आहेत तितके तुम्हाला मॅक्झिमम आणि मिनिमम व्हॅल्यू काढतात. इट इज मॅक्झिमम, इट इज मिनिमम, इट इज मॅक्झिमम, इट इज मिनिमम, and it is maximum. या आता इथे मॅक्झिमम व्हॅल्यू 3 आल्यात आणि मिनिमम व्हॅल्यू 2 जागा आल्यात. ओके. हियर okay, maximum and minimum. Now this is called local maxima and local minima. Okay. Here maximum value जितके टर्न पॉइंट आहेत, जितके तुम्हाला टर्न आलेले तितक्या टर्न पॉइंटवर तुम्हाला काय काढता येणार, मॅक्झिमम व्हॅल्यू किंवा मिनिमम व्हॅल्यू. एखाद्या ग्राफला टर्नच नसते. सपोज आपण स्ट्रेट लाईनचा ग्राफ घेऊ. इट इज 2x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. It is a graph. Therefore y is equal to 2x plus 3. आता हे ग्राफ y is equal to 2x plus 3 हे कोणतं येईल, स्ट्रेट लाईन येईल. एक y इज इक्वल टू 2x प्लस 3 या टाईपमध्ये एखादी स्ट्रेट लाईन येईल. ओके. देन आता याला टर्न नाही, म्हणजेच या फंक्शनचे तुम्हाला मॅक्झिमम किंवा मिनिमम व्हॅल्यू काढता येत नाही. ओके. कारण याला टर्नच नाही. ओके. हियर मग फंक्शनला जितके टर्न असतील तितके तुम्हाला मॅक्झिमम किंवा मिनिमम व्हॅल्यू काढता येतात. इट इज कॉल्ड अ लोकल मॅक्झिमा अँड लोकल मिनिमा. ओके. आणि हियर लोकल मॅक्झिमा, लोकल मिनिमा, आणखीन याच्यात एक ॲब्सोल्यूट मॅक्झिमा. ओके. यार जितक्या व्हॅल्यू आहेत या सगळ्यातली हायेस्ट मॅक्झिमा जे आहे दॅट इज द ॲब्सोल्यूट मॅक्झिमा. जितके मिनिमा आहेत, लोकल मिनिमम व्हॅल्यू, या सगळ्यातली सगळ्यात मिनिमम व्हॅल्यू दॅट इज द ॲब्सोल्यूट मिनिमम व्हॅल्यू. ओके. आपण आता लोकल मॅक्झिमा अँड लोकल मिनिमा पाहू. हियर जितके टर्न तितके तुम्हाला मॅक्झिमम किंवा मिनिमम पॉईंट मिळणार. मॅक्झिमम आणि मिनिमम व्हॅल्यू, एखाद्या ग्राफला टर्नच नसला तर ते काय काढणार, मॅक्झिमम आणि मिनिमम व्हॅल्यू काढता येणार नाही. ओके. काही काही आता ही स्ट्रेट लाईन आहे, एखादा ग्राफ असाही असू शकतो. हियर आता याला टर्नच नसणार, स्ट्रेट लाईन नाही पण याला टर्न नसणारच. म्हणजे इथेही तुम्हाला मॅक्झिमम आणि मिनिमम व्हॅल्यू काढता येत नाही. ग्राफला जितके टर्न तिथे तुम्हाला मॅक्झिमम आणि मिनिमम व्हॅल्यू काढतात. या टर्निंग पॉईंट किंवा याला म्हणणार स्टेशनरी पॉईंट. ओके. हियर नाव हियर इट इज f dash of x, it is an increasing function and it is decreasing function. Increasing to decreasing, then we find the maximum value. Okay. Now it is maximum. Here f dash of x is equal to 0 at x is equal to c. Now we consider 2 points which are neighborhood of the point C. Here this point and this, suppose it is C minus H, and it is C plus H, where H tends to 0, but it is H greater than 0. Okay, H is very small, it is a neighborhood. These 2 points are the neighborhood of the point C. Now f dash of C is equal to 0. Okay, here f dash of C equal to 0. Then f dash of X, it is f dash of C minus H, which is greater than 0, because C here C point increasing function मध्ये येते इथं. ओके, C पॉइंट आता इथे कुठं तरी येईल आणि इट इज C प्लस C मायनस H आणि C प्लस H इकडे कुठं तरी येणार. ओके, इट इज अ इन्क्रीजिंग फंक्शन आणि इथून पुन्हा डिक्रीजिंग फंक्शन स्टार्ट झाले. इट इज f dash of C minus H, it is greater than 0, and it is f dash of C plus H, which is less than 0. That means increasing to decreasing. Okay, here it is increasing to decreasing, therefore f dash of X is maximum, that is sorry, f of X is a maximum at X is equal to C, that is positive to negative. Then f dash of X is maximum at C, it is point C. Okay, f dash of X is equal to 0, it is a turning point. F dash of X at X is equal to C, at X is equal to C, f dash of X is equal to 0, therefore here positive to negative, that is increasing to decreasing, then f of X is maximum at X is equal to C. It is positive to negative, that is increasing to decreasing, that is positive to negative. Okay, therefore f of X has maxima at X is equal to C. It is f of X has maxima at X is equal to C. Here C point, it is an increasing function and it is decreasing function. Same for the minima. Okay, here okay, now here it is y is equal to f of X, it is a decreasing function and it is increasing function, and then when decreasing end to increasing start, there is a one critical, that is a stationary point where f dash of X is equal to 0. Now here f dash of X is less than 0 and it is f dash of X is greater than 0, and now it is f dash of C is equal to 0. Now this point, it is f dash of C, okay, equal to 0. Now it is a C. Now again we take two neighborhood points of the C. It is C minus H and it is C plus H. Here H is very small, that is H greater than 0 and H tends to 0. Now 2 points here. Therefore we can write f of, it is f dash of C minus H, which is less than 0, and f dash of C plus H, which is greater than 0. Here decreasing to increasing, decreasing to increasing, that is negative to positive. Therefore f of X has minima at X is equal to C. Now it is a maximum value, that is increasing to decreasing. Okay, when function increasing to decreasing and here decreasing to increasing, we get minima. Okay, आता function turn व्हायले here increasing to decreasing, असा एक पॉइंट येईल की increasing पासून decreasing तयार होते वेळेस फंक्शन तयार होते वेळेस यार एक पॉइंट येणार तिथे f dash of X 0, here f dash of X greater than 0, f dash of X less than 0, and it is f dash of X equal to 0. Then at point C, f dash of X is equal to 0. Then we consider two neighborhood points, that is f dash of it is C minus H, X is equal to here CA, it is X is equal to C, here X is equal to C minus H, and it is X is equal to C plus H are the 2 points. Therefore f dash of C minus H, it is greater than 0, that is increasing, and it is f dash of C plus H, it is less than 0, it is decreasing, that is increasing to decreasing. Then व्हेन फंक्शन इन्क्रीजिंग टू डिक्रीजिंग, आणि इन्क्रीजिंग टू डिक्रीजिंग होण्यासाठी त्याला एक टर्न घेणं लागणार, आणि त्या टर्नवर तुम्हाला मॅक्झिमम किंवा मिनिमम व्हॅल्यू येणार. कोणतंही फंक्शन असू द्या, एक टर्न मॅक्झिमम किंवा मिनिमम व्हॅल्यू काढण्यासाठी तुम्हाला एक टर्न येणार. त्या टर्नसाठी फंक्शन एक तर इन्क्रीजिंग किंवा डिक्रीजिंग दोन्हीपैकी एक असणार. फंक्शन इन्क्रीजिंग पासून डिक्रीजिंग पर्यंत टर्न व्हायले तर दॅट इज द मॅक्झिमम व्हॅल्यू, अँड व्हेन डिक्रीजिंग टू इन्क्रीजिंग इट इज अ मिनिमम व्हॅल्यू. ओके, देअरफॉर एफ ऑफ एक्स इज मिनिमम. ओके, मिनिमम आणि मॅक्झिमम लगेच करूया. आता हे सरळ सरळ वर व्हॅल्यू आली, इट इज अ मॅक्झिमम, अँड देन खालून व्हॅल्यू येणार, दॅट इज द मिनिमम व्हॅल्यू. ग्राफ लगेच आपल्याला ग्राफवरून लक्षात येते, वर व्हॅल्यू आहे म्हणजे मॅक्झिमम असणार, खाली असणार मिनिमम. मग आता हे झालं तुमचं लोकल मॅक्झिमम अँड लोकल मिनिमा. ओके, फर्स्ट डेरिव्हेटिव्ह टेस्ट आहे, त्याच्यानंतर सेकंड डेरिव्हेटिव्ह टेस्ट आहे. सध्या आपण सगळ्यात आधी फर्स्ट डेरिव्हेटिव्ह टेस्टच पाहणार, आणि त्याच्यानंतर मग सेकंड डेरिव्हेटिव्ह टेस्ट. आता हे लोकल मॅक्झिमा अँड लोकल मिनिमा, तुम्हाला इथे एकच टर्न घेतला आहे. जितके टर्न असले तितक्या टर्नवर मॅक्झिमम आणि मिनिमम व्हॅल्यू काढता येतात. ओके, जितके टर्न असतील तितक्या टर्नवर. एखाद्या कर्वला टर्नच नसला तर मॅक्झिमम आणि मिनिमम व्हॅल्यू काढता येत नाहीत. मग तिथं तुमची जे काही फर्स्ट डेरिव्हेटिव्ह टेस्ट असणार, सेकंड डेरिव्हेटिव्ह टेस्ट, त्या टेस्ट फेल होणार. ओके, म्हणजेच तुम्हाला तिथं मॅक्झिमम किंवा मिनिमम व्हॅल्यू काढता येणार नाही. हियर इट इज increasing to decreasing we find the maximum value, and decreasing to increasing we find the minimum value. It is maxima and minima. Okay, now first we see first derivative test and then second derivative test. Okay, now we see the first derivative test for the maxima and minima. Okay, here a function has a maxima at x is equal to c when f dash of c equal to 0 and f dash of c minus s greater than 0, that is increasing, and f dash of c plus s less than 0, that is decreasing. Then f of x has maxima at x is equal to c, that is increasing to decreasing, then we find maxima, and when decreasing to increasing then we find minima. Here then f of x has minimum at x is equal to c, f dash of c equal to 0, then f dash of c minus h, f dash of c minus h less than 0, it is a decreasing, and f dash of c plus h, it is greater than 0, it is increasing. Decreasing to increasing, then we get minima. Increasing to decreasing. Okay, here increasing to decreasing we get the maxima, and decreasing to increasing we get minima. Okay, now here it is a c point. Now here c minus h, and it is c plus h. Okay, the value of f dash of x at c minus h, at c, and at c plus h. F dash of c equal to 0, f dash of c minus h greater than 0, it is positive, that is increasing, and it is negative, it is a decreasing, that is increasing to decreasing. When minimum value, it is f dash of c, it is a decreasing, that is negative, and f dash of c plus h, it is a positive, it is a increasing. When increasing to decreasing, it is a maximum value, and it is decreasing to increasing, it is the minimum value. Okay, now we will see the example. Okay, here find the local maxima or local minima of the function f of x is equal to x cube plus 3x. Here given that f of x is equal to x cube minus 3x, therefore we find derivative. Okay, f dash of x, f dash of x is equal to 3x square minus 3. Okay, now take f dash of x equal to 0. Take f dash of x equal to 0. To find the stationary point or the turning point, we take f dash of x is equal to 0. Okay, therefore it is 3x square minus 3 is equal to 0. Then it is x square minus 1 equal to 0, and then x square is equal to 1. Therefore x is equal to plus or minus 1. म्हणजे आता इथे दोन व्हॅल्यू मिळाले, इट इज x इज इक्वल टू +1 अँड x इज इक्वल टू -1. म्हणजे तुम्हाला स्टेशनरी पॉईंट दोन मिळाले. x is equal to 1 and x is equal to -1. ओके, एक एका पॉईंटसाठी घेऊ. ओके, लेट फॉर द टर्निंग पॉइंट और स्टेशनरी पॉइंट, फॉर द पॉइंट x is equal to 1. Okay, x is equal to +1 or x is equal to -1 are the turning point or the stationary point. Okay, आता एक एका पॉइंटला घेऊ. Here at x is equal to f dash of c equal to 0, म्हणजेच f dash of 1 equal to 0. f dash of 1 इथं 1 ठेवलं तर it is 1, 3 minus 3 0, म्हणजे it is a first case. Okay, then we find c minus h, f dash of c minus s and f dash of c plus s, that is a point which is greater than 1. It is 1, slightly greater than 1, it is 1 plus h and it is 1 minus h. हे झाले तुमचे दोन पॉइंट. ओके, नेबरहुड ऑफ पॉइंट 1 plus h and 1 minus h. Here h is greater than 0. h is a very small positive integer. Okay, h is greater than 0. Now here, therefore let neighborhood of x is x minus h and x plus h. Therefore 1 plus h and 1 minus h. Therefore it is x is equal to 1 minus h for very small h. H is a small integer greater than 0. Therefore you can find f dash of 1 minus h, f dash of 1 minus h, and that is f dash of x is equal to this. Therefore 3 into 1 minus h square minus 3. Okay, here calculation. Now it is 3 into 1 minus 2h. Okay, f dash of x, and it is f dash of 1 minus h. 3 into 1 minus h whole square, it is 2h plus h square minus 3. Okay, now calculate. It is 3 minus 6h plus 3h square and minus 3. Therefore f dash of 1 minus h is equal to, it is 3 get cancel. Now it is 3h common काढलो तो काय राहते यार, it is h minus 2. Okay, these three cancel and then middle च्या दोन term. Okay, 3h common काढले here h and here minus 2. Okay, then f dash of 1 minus h, it is 3h into h minus 2, and h is a very small positive integer, very small, it is less than 1. Therefore it is less than 1 positive integer minus 2, it is less than 0. Okay, therefore f dash of 1 minus h, it is a less than 0, that is condition, it is this. F dash of c minus h less than 0, therefore f of x is decreasing for x less than c. Therefore f of x is decreasing for x less than 1. Okay, here c is equal to, it is 1. f of x is decreasing for x less than 1. म्हणजे आता इथे तुम्हाला कंडिशन कोणती मिळाली सुरुवातीला, इट इज अ डिक्रीजिंग टू इन्क्रीजिंग, दॅट इज द मिनिमा. ओके, पाहू आपण आता कॅल्क्युलेशन करत करत मिनिमा काढू. देन आता याच्यानंतर कॅल्क्युलेशन व्यवस्थित पहा. हियर फर्स्ट f dash of c, it is f dash of x is equal to 1 and x is equal to -1 are the turning point. Okay, then आता एक पॉइंट घेतला आपण x is equal to 1, then सेकंड पॉइंट घेऊ x is equal to -1. x is equal to 1, therefore ओके, जेव्हा पॉइंट c घेतलेला आहे, इट इज पॉइंट c, तर एक पॉइंट c minus h less than c and it is c plus h. Okay, here c is equal to 1, therefore एक पॉइंट घेतला 1 minus h, it is 1 minus h, आणि दुसरा पॉइंट घेणार होता 1 plus h. ओके, नाउ सेकंड आपल्याला ही कंडिशन मिळाली आता, f of x is decreasing. ओके, देन नाउ f dash of 1 plus h is equal to, नाउ एफ डॅश ऑफ 1 प्लस एच खाली लिहितो. एफ डॅश ऑफ 1 प्लस एच इज इक्वल टू एफ डॅश ऑफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू 3x मायनस 3. एफ डॅश ऑफ 1 प्लस एच इट इज 1 प्लस एच. 3 into 1 plus h whole square minus 3. Then calculate. It is 3 into 1 plus 2h plus h square minus 3. Then it is 3 ने multiply केल्यानंतर here 6h आणि plus 3h square. These 3 and these 3 cancel. Now f dash of 1 plus h is equal to, it is 3h into 2h, it is 2 plus h. Okay, 3h common काढलं इथं, जसं 3h common काढलं ते. Then h is a very small positive integer, therefore 2 plus h it is a positive and therefore this term is positive. Therefore f dash of 1 plus h is greater than 0. F dash of 1 plus h is greater than 0, that is increasing. Therefore f of x is increasing. F of x is increasing for x is greater than 1. x is less than 1. तुम्ही 2 पॉईंट घ्यायले. ओके, एक 1 वर 0 आले. एफ डॅश ऑफ 1 इक्वल टू 0. एफ डॅश ऑफ 1 इक्वल टू 0. देन 2 पॉईंट स्लाइटली लेस दॅन अँड स्लाइटली ग्रेटर दॅन. इट इज 1 मायनस एच, इट इज 1 प्लस एच. देन या 1 मायनस एच वर डिक्रीजिंग आले आणि 1 प्लस एच वर इन्क्रीजिंग. दॅट इज डिक्रीजिंग टू इन्क्रीजिंग. दॅट मीन्स मिनिमा. डिक्रीजिंग टू इन्क्रीजिंग. ओके, देअरफॉर एफ ऑफ एक्स हॅज मिनिमा. देअरफॉर f of x is decreasing to increasing. Therefore f of x has minima at x is equal to 1. F of x has minima at x is equal to 1 and minimum value of f of x is, it is f of 1 is equal to 3 into, sorry, it is 1 cube minus 3 into 1 and that is minus 2. It is the minimum value. Okay, f of x is equal to x cube minus 3x at x is equal to 1. f of 1 cube minus 3 into 1, it is minus 2. Minus 2, it is a minimum value. Means f of x has minima at x is equal to 1. It is decreasing to increasing. Okay, now first we take the turning point x is equal to 1. Now we take x is equal to minus 1. Okay, here it is a, see carefully. Okay, तो erase कर दो. It is a minimum value is minus 2. Okay, now for x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to 1, it is x is equal to 1. Now x is equal to minus 1. Okay, here it is minus, it is minus, it is minus. Okay, therefore the calculation is, it is 1 is also plus and it is minus 3. Okay, here therefore calculate. It is minus 1, x is equal to minus 1 less than 1. that means 2 पॉईंट घेणार आहोत आपण. it is minus 1. इकडचा पॉईंट असणार minus 1 plus it is minus 1 minus h आणि पुढचा पॉईंट ग्रेटर दॅन minus 1 plus h. ओके, हे झाले 2 पॉईंट. आता फर्स्ट minus 1 minus h, it is f dash of, it is f dash 3x square, it is x square minus 1 square, it is square. now calculate. 3 आणि minus 3 कॅन्सल, मग हे किती होते 6h plus 3h square and therefore f dash of minus 1 minus h is equal to, it is 3h कॉमन काढलं 3h तर काय राहिलं, इट इज 3h कॉमन काढल्याच्या नंतर हिअर 2 अँड प्लस h, अँड फॉर h ग्रेटर दॅन 0 इट इज अ ग्रेटर. देअरफॉर f of x is increasing. F of x is increasing for x is equal to -1. X is equal to -1. Now second. Okay, एक पॉइंट कोणता घेतला, -1 -h. आता सेकंड पॉइंट -1 + h. Now it is x is equal to -1 + h, where h greater than 0. Therefore f dash of -1 + h is equal to 3 into -1 + h whole square minus 3. Now expand. It is 3 into 1 minus 2h plus h square and minus 3. Okay. Therefore it is f dash of -1 + h is equal to 3 get cancel, minus 6h and plus 3h square. f dash of -1 + h is equal to, याच्यातून काय कॉमन काढणार, ओके, 3h. इट इज -2 + h, and -2 + h, h is a very small positive integer, therefore it is less than 0. Therefore f of x is decreasing for x greater than -1. Okay. Here it is less than, x is less than -1, it is x is greater than -1. Now therefore f of x has maxima at x is equal to -1, and maximum value is f of -1 is equal to -1 cube minus 3 into -1, it is 2. It is the maximum value. Okay, and then last answer, maximum value of the function is 2 at x is equal to -1, and minimum value of the function is -2 at x is equal to 1. Okay, last answer आता पूर्ण याच्यात लिहितो here. Therefore maximum value of f of x at x is equal to -1 is 2, and minimum value of f of x at x is equal to 1 is -2. Okay, here example carefully पहा, and it is the first condition for the first derivative test. Okay, हे झालं तुमचा first derivative test. It is first derivative test, and it is the example. Okay, it is first derivative test. In the next lecture we see the second derivative test. ओके, आणि आपल्याला बाकीचे सगळे प्रॉब्लेम करण्यासाठी फक्त सेकंड डेरिव्हेटिव्ह टेस्टच यूज करायची. ओके, याच्यानंतर जे मॅक्झिमा, मिनिमा, लोकल मॅक्झिमा और लोकल मिनिमा जे काही प्रॉब्लेम विचारतील ते काय करायचे, युजिंग सेकंड डेरिव्हेटिव्ह टेस्ट. आता सेकंड डेरिव्हेटिव्ह टेस्ट काय हे आपण नेक्स्ट लेक्चरमध्ये पाहू.